Pingwa.
Hello, it's Kayla from Pingwa. Welcome to episode 2 in our Scratch Basics series. This episode will take you through the steps of deleting a sprite, adding a sprite, and adding a backdrop. Let's begin. We are first going to start with how to delete a sprite. In your Sprites pane in the bottom right corner, click on the garbage can located in the top right corner of the sprite that you wish to delete. This will also delete any code that has been created under that sprite. Every new project on Scratch will begin with the cat sprite. By clicking on the garbage can, this will delete the cat sprite. Next, we're going to go over how to add a sprite. First, hover over the Choose a Sprite icon in the bottom right corner of the Sprites pane. Select the magnifying glass icon, which will take you to the Scratch Sprite library. You can scroll through all of the sprites available, or you can search for a sprite using the search bar. And lastly, you can select a category from the top bar to find a sprite. Select the sprite that you would like to use and code. The sprite that you select will now appear on your stage and in your Sprites pane. You can also create your own sprite. To do this, you must hover over the Choose a Sprite icon in the Sprites pane, select the paintbrush icon, which will take you directly to an area which you can begin to create your own sprite using the tools available. Lastly, we want to learn how to add a backdrop. To do this, hover over the Choose a Backdrop icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the magnifying glass icon, which will take you to the Scratch Backdrop library. You can scroll through all the backdrops available, search for a backdrop using the search bar, or select a category from the top menu to find a backdrop. Once you select the backdrop that you would like to use, it will appear directly on your stage. You can also create your own backdrop. To do this, you must hover over the Choose a Backdrop icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the paintbrush icon, which will take you to an area that will allow you to create your own backdrop using the tools available. Once you create your backdrop, you'll see that this will appear directly on your stage. This is the end of episode 2 in our Scratch Basics series. Be sure to follow us on social media and sign up for our newsletter to receive updates on other online lessons, activities, tutorials, and more. To learn more, check out the next episode in our series. Thanks for watching!